AMC Entertainment announced it is buying 22% of Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation, a company that holds the 71,000-acre Hycroft mine in northern Nevada. Eric Sprott is also investing in Hycroft's development of the mine and its surrounding infrastructure. Making an investment equal to AMC is Eric Sprott, one of the world's leading gold and silver investors. Combined, AMC and Mr. Sprott are investing $56 million, which will help Hycroft considerably lengthen its financial runway. With its investment, AMC has been granted the right to appoint a representative to the Hycroft Board of Directors. AMC and Sprott will each invest $27.9 million in cash in Hycroft in exchange for 23,408,240 units, with each unit consisting of one common share of Hycroft and one common share purchase warrant. The units are priced at $1.193, which complies with the minimum bid price required by Nasdaq for an at-the-market purchase.